Having trouble tracking the return on investment from your offline marketing? Not sure how effective your direct mail and print advertising really is? Direct mail works. The problem is it's difficult to track. Our new technology makes it work even better. Here's how it works. We take the direct mail and ensure that same message is seen several times through multiple channels to your specific target audience. First, we match your mailing addresses to social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. We show those people ads before, during, and after the mail hits to sear that message into their mind. Next, we track your mail, predict, and confirm delivery right down to the individual piece, just like a package. Ever hear of the USPS's program, Informed Delivery? Your mail recipients will get an email from the USPS that the mail piece is arriving in their mailbox today, along with a full-color ad they can use to take advantage of your offer with a simple click. Now it's time to track the response. If the recipients call, we will report and record the call along with all the caller information, including name, address, and demographics about the caller. If they go to the website, we are going to follow them around with ads on both social media as well as other websites they visit. The multiple impressions of the same message on these channels serves as a reminder that they were interested and drives them back to the website to become a customer. It doesn't stop there. We can tell you who from your mailing actually visited your site regardless of what actions they took. No more wondering if the mail piece actually worked. So there you have it. Track, enhance, and effectively attribute results of your direct mail campaign with this cutting-edge technology. Direct mail works. We can prove it.